Hey everyone, welcome to Last Fans Gaming. This is December 1st. So December part 1, 2025, last month of the year for these Patreons. I'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and all the links will be down below. Let's get started. So, we got the Monster Hunter for last month. I don't know if they're going to have anything for December release, but we haven't really see all the stuff that came out last month as well. So we got Monster Hunter stuff that I'm going to be having fun because I do like Monster Hunter. But they had two Blastoise and some Pokemons as well. Oh, this Monster Madness. So it might be Pokemon mix. I thought it was Monster Hunter. I think some of these do kind of look like Monster Hunter over here. You have the Pokemon stuff here. So yeah, that'd be kind of cool. Epic. December update. Beastly Champions. As it goes. The Lion King Fighters. Elven Folk Druids. Bear Bard. Looks like a panda bard. Half Dragon Warrior. Because it has a tail. Elder Turtle Folk. Octo Wizard. So it's like a humanoid version of an octopus. Something like that. Horsefolk Monk. Got Minotaur Adventurers. War Tiger. This is probably good for like an isekai game. Now you have all these different type of beastly folks. Sloth Paladin, or just do all animal stuff. Duck Bandit, Venture Hamster, the giant monster hamster. What you call it? Hamster. I'm gonna have to talk in a certain way because my battery's about to die on my headset. So hopefully that works. All right, let's get started. So we got Venture hamster, and a giant hamster mount. We got penguin knights. We got rabbit folk druid, swan paladin as well. RN Studio. This is going to be another like a D&D figure, but mostly for like anime and stuff like that and movies, cartoons. I got Transformers, and we have. I know these 1, 2, and 3 fours from Dragon Quest, but I think this is also for Dragon Quest. I've never seen that before. And this is fantasy for it. And probably sci-fi as well because they have a shotgun, and I think there's a it's M14, and that one's a holding right there, and that's just holding a 9 millimeter for it. Artisan Guild, we are going to be seeing what they have for this month. Salom Rakas Hakan. Let's see here. Oh, we got line folks this time. That's kind of cool. Monkey Six Rider. So a lion on top of a manticore without the wings. I don't know what you call them. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, the mountain itself, Ship X Skin. We got the lion folk champion right here. I do like the art way of doing it. Spellcaster. It's gonna be like a barbarian or a monk type, I'm guessing. A brawler. And I got the terrain piece, two lion. That's actually probably cool to make. And the Sphinx comes with it, and it comes nude. And we have lion, regular just dire lion, I'm guessing, and your bust as well. That's not that bad. Okay. Next is Nom Nom. This is a figure one as well. Wow, everything's so freaking blurry. I don't know what's coming up. That's January winter. Sneak peek, yeah, but I can't see it. It's blocked. That's not helpful, but check them out. Penske Miniatures. This is November 1. I don't know if they have the December. Here we go. We got the Predator. Probably from that new Predator movie that came out. Plaza Industries. We got some Marines. Tyrannet Quadric. There's also a wargaming one too, as well. Just letting you guys know. In many ways. Yeah, we have a human armor. Yeah, that's from StarCraft. That's the Firebat. That I want. And that's the other upgrade version of that too. I do like my Firebat. We got the Space Marines. You have lady that played Connor. Alien, Boiler. I don't know what that type of alien that is. I know some type of xenomorph. Looks like infected by like a fungus or something. Oh yeah, we got the Hive Queen for StarCraft. I do like my Hive Queen a lot. And there's your Venom um, alien, and it's killing the Predator as well. Okay, they have the Cyberpunk one out too. Yep, they got a Cyberpunk one out as well. Usually it's a mixture of stuff that comes in. A lot of these I do not know. Oh, this Cobra. Never mind. See the Cobra on the shield. Cybernet Hacker. Net Hacker. Abomination Asura. Like a gun person in a Gundam outfit. Yeah, it looks like a Gundam suit as an armor. I think this is from Ultraman or Kamen Rider. I really don't remember. Hydra, the Cobra. They really do love their GI Joes, don't they? I used to like GI Joe as a kid until I got older. I didn't care much for it. Cyber Dwarf Alchemist. For that, Dwarf Bomber. Huh. Dwarf Drawer. Another Hacker. Guardsman. That's it for that. OX3D. Let's see here. Post. November release. This is going to be the December one for this month as well. Angel Lamont. Looking forward to. I'm also looking forward to her. Everything else, there's so many makeup of it. Flesh of God. I don't know if stuff is out for this yet. Oh, December is already out. So we got Who Lies Beyond the Void. Iron Regent. Broken Halo. Black Tempest. Crawling Blight. So Swan Soldier. This is like grim dark stuff, like Dark Souls. This is stuff you want to do on your D&D game, or you have the Dark Soul board game. Go for it. I bet you can actually replace a lot of the pieces in there with these as well, and they look pretty damn good in my opinion. So we got Lord of the Rings, looks like it in here, mixed in here as well. Trying to figure out all of these characters, but they're all good stuff for D&D for me. If I do like more of a grim dark type of game, if I'm doing Curse of Strahd, I'll probably put these minis in there, letting you guys know. Okay, let's see what they really have. So this is the monster, huge. Let me see in the back. This is November release. Huh. Okay. Game Scrape. This is probably the last one for this video. They do terrain builds. Letting you guys know that. And I think we're having a sawmill and a dam. Looks like it. That looks pretty damn cool. And that's 18. Yeah, it's just sawmill and a dam. That's what all you need. Well, yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.